Hey y'all, let's get into it. Lockbraids sent over their unit with some goodies to go with it. This is their human hair full lace braided wig. You can apply a glueless small boho knotless braids with baby hair. It is in the length 22 inches. I just want to go ahead and show y'all the unit up close. Y'all see it's given hand done. Very nice quality. Look at the cap, look at the bleach on it. They did a good job bleaching the knots. It is a 360 cap. That's why you're able to wear it in a ponytail. It has wig combs, an adjustable band, and this is just what it looks like, the construction in the inside. So I just wanted to show y'all that really nicely constructed. They did a good job, and this is what it looks like on my mannequin head, so y'all can see the parts are nice and clean. And I just really like how it looks really natural. It does have the baby hair, as y'all can see, and this is another angle on my mannequin. So y'all already know when I get a unit, I like to put it on straight out of the packaging just so I can see what it's given. And I'm like, okay, you know, I got my brown wig cap on. I'm like, okay, I got something to work with. Lockbraids, y'all doing it, y'all doing it. You know, I'm gonna hit it with that lace tinting spray because I needed to match my skin tone as much as possible. So I went ahead and cut the lace off camera because you got to focus when you're cutting that lace off. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the baby hairs at the front because I'm not going to need those, but you can leave them on if that's your cup of tea. And I love how the hair is thin at the front. They didn't do like super thick baby hairs, and I love that. So I'm going to take some hairspray and I'm just going to spray it along the hairline. You can apply this glueless, but I don't wear no wigs glueless because I need to make sure this is on my head. Okay, secured. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my band on. And a tip here, put the hair in a ponytail before you put the band on. That way it's no like craziness. But anyways, so yeah, my band on for probably like a half an hour or so. I don't know how to remember. And then I'm just gonna comb the baby hairs out, cut them to my liking, and I'm swooping them around with some equal styler gel. You can do yours however you want to, or you don't have to do any baby hairs at all. This is totally optional. Did do the sideburns as well. I'm going to take a little bit of mousse, not much, because I still want it to have that body. And I'm just going to rake that through the hair because y'all know this is human hair. So don't play with it. This is what the hair looks like. Really pretty, really nice and full. It's not skimpy. This is what it's given from the back. Super full, really nice. And I'm really loving the vibes. Like, I got my braids for the summer. My braids for the summer thanks to Lockbraids. I'm gonna swoop the hair over to one side. That's giving a look too, but you already know I gotta do my half up, half down. So let's get into that. So I'm just like gathering the hair at the front, and I did decide to leave out 2 pieces in the front because I thought that would be cute to do a little bang or whatever. So then I'm gonna go ahead and put the scrunchie on. And this is what it's given. Super cute. This is definitely my favorite style with this unit. I love it. So this unit is super versatile, so that's why you definitely got to get it. And then I'm like, okay, let me try a ponytail. So I'm going to put all of the hair up into a ponytail, and we're going to see what that gives. So I'm just gathering the hair now. Alright, so I'm going to take a scrunchie that you would use to do a puff, and I'm going to double that up, and that's how I'm going to gather the hair because it just works a lot better that way. And yeah, this was actually really easy to put into a ponytail, so I absolutely love that. Super cute. And then I'm going to put the scrunchie back on because I love scrunchies. I've been really into them lately, and I feel like they just add a nice touch, but this is what it is given, and it looks really cute in a ponytail. So I love that. And then y'all already know I had to go ahead and twist that up in a bun and see what the bun gives because I'm definitely a bun girl. I love me a good bun. So let's see. Ahead and pull out a few little pieces out the bun, and that's gonna really give it a really cute vibe. And yeah, it's like, ooh, I love this. I haven't seen myself in a bun in a minute. Super cute because y'all know I have a lock, so this is very nice for me. Love it. Hey y'all, as y'all know, this unit is from Lockbraids. This unit is from Lockbraids. They did their big one. This is their human hair full lace braided wig. It is glueless. You can install it glueless. It's small boho knotless braids with baby hair, and this is real human hair, so don't play with them. They did their biggest one with this being real human hair. I got mine in 22 inches, and the density is 250. And y'all know what's so crazy about this unit? The cap is full. Like, it has so much hair, but it's very lightweight. Like, a lot of braided wigs, especially the knotless ones, of course they're lightweight, but sometimes you can feel that you have a wig on. This is very, very lightweight, and I feel like it is because they used all human hair. Because sometimes braided wig companies, they'll use, like, they'll add in synthetic hair and then they'll put the boho like at the bottom or whatever, but or, you know, intertwine it into the braid. So I love that this is full human hair because it is super lightweight. And they also did not skimp out on the hair. They actually did put the boho pieces throughout the braids, as you guys can see, and they actually put the curly pieces at the end, because a lot of times I don't like boho braids when it don't have curls on the end. Like, I mean, teach his own if that's the look you going for, but if I'm gonna get boho braids, they gotta have curls at the end as well. I don't like just the plain braid with nothing on the bottom. Like, that's not my vibe. It does have adjustable straps in the back, as you guys know. I believe this is an average cap size, and it is really beautiful. It is 100% hand tied. You can definitely part it however you want. I like the way that they did the parting. You know what I like about this unit? It's given very much so you got knotless braids on your real hair, and that's what I like about it. It's just really, really nice. The hair is super soft. It's, like I said, it's really lightweight. You can do different styles on it, as you guys see me do. You also, it does come with baby hairs. And here's the thing before we get into it. So let me tell you about the baby hairs. I decided that I was going to cut the baby hairs off the front, which I typically do. You know, I was doing the baby hairs at the front with my braided wigs, but I done started like cutting them off in the front because I feel like it looks a little bit more natural. But you know what I did not think through? I should have cut this lace a little bit shorter. So basically, when I reinstall this unit again, I'm going to cut the lace, cut this off, and then just leave this. But it still looks really good. It is what it is. But yeah, I just left the sideburn baby hairs here and did 2 little baby hairs here because I don't really like the middle part. I don't like the baby hair in the middle anymore. Well, on my wigs, on my braided wigs now. Lockbraids did they big one. This unit is really, really beautiful, really soft, really lightweight. The only critique I would have is that some of the braid sizes are a little bit inconsistent. Like, I see how this one is a lot thicker and then this one's a little thinner, but I guess it still gives it like a little bit more like a realistic feel. But I do wish they were a little bit more consistent throughout, but that's okay because this unit is still bomb. I'm still gonna rock it. I will still recommend it to those of you that do not like getting your natural hair braided because of time. Look how quick I was able to go ahead and install this unit without having to for like 7 hours to get this style, or 10 hours out, or however long, because y'all know braids do take a long time. And you can literally just install this and wear it over and over and over again, and you don't even have to go to the salon. So I think that's so freaking bomb. I love that. For those of you guys that have locks like me, it's really nice to be able to wear braids over my locks without having to damage my locks. So I love that. But yeah, y'all, this unit is bomb. I'm definitely gonna rate it a 9 out of 10. So it's bomb, super, super bomb. Definitely would recommend y'all copping this unit. I love the fact that it just feels so lightweight, and I love the fact that it has a lot of hair on it, so it looks more like you have a wig on, full wig on, but it's actually boho, but you can't really tell, but it is boho because it has the braids, but it's not doing too much, it's not doing too little, it's doing the right amount that it needs to be doing. So I love that. Everything about Lock Braids will be in the description box below. The unit that I'm rocking will also be linked in the description box below as well. Make sure y'all check them out and cop y'all one of these units. Also, you can get a discount if you use MB20. You can get some money off, so make sure y'all go ahead and use that coupon code so you can get some money off of your unit, okay? So yes, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all on my next one. Bye.